here we are at the very top of the property. See the fence there, that's our boundary line. Swing round, show you the size of this field on this beautiful, beautiful October day. There we go. In the distance you can see the container there, our little caravan. You can also see the house in the distance, just poking up there behind that big clump of knotweed that we talked about earlier. You can maybe get a better understanding of why we feel the need to get rid of it. It was a spoil heap anyway, where the knotweed took hold, but obviously we need to deal with the knotweed before we can deal with the heap that it's growing on. Hopefully one day that will be gone and you have a much clearer view of the house, and from the house you have a much clearer view of the field. But on a day like today it doesn't seem too big a problem. I'm going to take some cuttings from some of these sycamore stems. I know the trees have been felled now, but some of these have quite fresh looking shoots on them. So I'm going to cut some of these. I'm going to mix some mulch and some compost together and we'll give it a go, and maybe we can have some new sycamore trees in the future. So here are my cuttings. Potted them up. Got a mixture of mulch, compost in there. I've kind of just stuck them in really. See what happens. Good luck to them. I'll put them outside the container here. It's a bit sheltered. Kind of south facing. So should get a nice bit of sunshine. And we'll see what happens. Just put a few logs around the pot, just to stop it blowing anyway, if the wind picks up again. They look quite happy, very happy.
So let's have a look at the cupboard this morning. Noel has finished painting and there they are, the lovely shelves. Everything looks clean and fresh. Well done, my love. So today's job here is you want to get this floor sanded and varnished, don't you?
Yeah, but it's only a freshen up.
It's a freshen up because if we don't do it now, it'll never get done. You can see that it's just got a bit scuffed and grubby. So it's the ideal time before we start bringing lots of furniture in to freshen it up.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Yeah. Dark oak, yeah, for the cabinets, so it will take it a bit darker. Depends what effect you want. So
well, I only tried a little dabbing for now.
Yeah. So Noel's just thinking that when he's doing the floor, just wants to take the colour a bit, just to sort of. I mean,
because it's a spirit-based varnish, you see, so there's no reason why I can't put spirit-based stain in there. So I only put a little dab in there that's really dark.
Really? So
well, it doesn't matter.
You can try it on a little, and try it on something else just to see. Yeah.
It seems to have mixed in quite well.
Yeah, good.
Oh, so it's not dark at all, you see.
No.
It looks dark. But it might just take the edge off that sort of oranginess.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I just wanted to see if it mixed in, but that seems to be fine.
Good. Okay.
But is there anything else you want to try? You don't want to try a bit of rosewood or something.
Oh, I don't know. Too many choices.
I know it is. We put a bit of rosewood in. What's rosewood? A bit darker,
I think it might
isn't
be a bit reddy, is it? Do you think?
I don't know. I thought it was a bit sort of blacky. It's quite really dark, you see that.
Okay.
I'll put a little dab in there, see what it does. I mean, I haven't got a lot of that, so.
Yeah. This is for the floor in the dining room.
Yeah.
That Noel's been sanding this morning. And it is just for what we use on the varnish.
See, there's not a lot of colour in there at all.
No.
But it might just take, I think just to darken it down a little bit might be good.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
I'm going to do it then. Too late now. But there's only a tiny bit gone in there, really.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, you've put that into it. It's into all of it. You've added it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get you.
No, I'll give it a good
So it's... okay.
Put some of that dark look.
Blimey.
Whoa.
Somebody will be watching this who really knows what they're doing, right? And they'll be like, they'll be having kittens at what you're doing. Like, no. I like to keep you on your toes. It's all good fun. It's just an experiment, isn't it, darling? You've got to be willing to take risks. And this is the technical procedure for varnish and stain mixing. You do a little jig. You've still got some moves there, darling.
I never had the moves in the first place. Let's have a look.
Okay. Oh, your arm's in the way. All right, come on then. Let's have a look.
See, it's nothing.
It's hardly
is it?
there.
Nothing, but it
hardly
might just...
there. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. So it's not going to be dramatic, is it?
Not going to be too dramatic. I might put a bit more of everything. Well,
it's like mixing drinks.
I know, but...
In with the whole bottle.
This is medium oak. I don't know what sort of colour that is.
You're getting a real cocktail there.
Oh.
No, don't spoil it. Oh my, that looks like a big blob.
That was a blob. Let's dry it up a bit that way.
Oh.
So we're in it.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Do you think there might be a big blob on the floor?
No, it'll mix.
Right. Are you gonna do your dance again?
Do a dance. I know you like it.
I don't think it'll be a massive difference even with
no.
Let's see then.
That's a bit dark.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that'll be alright.
Yeah.
You can probably get a couple of coats anyway.
Yeah.
You can see the difference in colour.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Good. It looks like it's brewing, doesn't it? It's like a head on it. Can you see? It looks like beer.
Looks a bit more like Guinness at the moment.
Yeah. Oh, does look nice now.
You alright?
Looks nice. I can see it's not hugely dramatic,
it's just a bit.
Yeah, it just gives it more depth of colour.
I think so.
Because it sort of looks as if it's just faded a bit and got a bit tired.
I'll probably get a second coat anyway, so that will be fine.
So this morning, just coming to see how much better that looks. Let me just take my shoes off at the door. Up there. Take my boots off. And that looks nice. Looks a lot nicer. Let me just tiptoe across. Can you see how the light is just reflecting on that lovely varnish? And how it just looks a lot better than when it was all pale and scuffed and faded. Looks like new again. Well done, Noel.